Hello and welcome to Herald TV News Bulletin with me, Valentin Dias. The Goa government has announced a tie-up with various training institutions like the NCERT, Indian School of Business, and so on across India to train all the government high school teachers in the state. Chief Minister Sawant stated that the upgradation of the government schools in terms of infrastructure and faculty-wise has been implemented to raise the standards of the government schools.
सगळे जे गव्हर्नमेंट टीचर्स जे आसात स्कुलाचे तांकां ट्रेनिंग दिवपाचो प्लॅन माननीय मुख्यमंत्र्याच्या मार्गदर्शना खाला आमी प्रिपेर केला आणि त्या खातीर वेगवेगळे ज्यो कितें भारतभर ज्यो अश्यो ट्रेनिंग दिवपी संस्था आसात त्या संस्था कडेन आमी टायअप केल्लो आसा. उदाहरणार्थ NCERT, NIPA, त्या बरोबर इंडियन स्कूल ऑफ बिझनेस या बरोबर आमी टायअप केला आसा. त्याच प्रमाणे सगळ्यात व्हडलो टायअप आमच्या आसा म्हणटा तो इंडियन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ सायन्स जे आयची भारतांतली सगळ्यात व्हडली संस्था जाका NIRF रँकिंग म्हणात किंवा वर्ल्ड रँकिंगा भितर जी पयली आसा ती इंडियन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ सायन्स बेंगलोर हांचे बरोबर आमी टायअप केल्लें आसा सगळ्या सायन्स टिचरांक ट्रेनिंग दिवपा खातीर. सो ह्या टायअपांतल्यान टिचराचो अपग्रेडेशन वाडटलें आणि त्याच बरोबर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर स्कीम मुखार चालीक लावपा खातीरय आमी मुख्यमंत्र्यांच्या मार्गदर्शना खाला चीफ मिनिस्टर सुविद्या स्कीम जी इम्प्लिमेंट करपाच्या ह्या वर्सासान सुरू जातली. तर मूळ सांगपाचो मुद्दो म्हळ्यार पालकांचो प्रिफरन्स फर्स्ट प्रिफरन्स गव्हर्नमेंट स्कूल जातले ह्या पद्दतीन आमी सगळ्यांनी काम करपाक जाय अशें आमकां आदेश मुख्यमंत्र्यांनी दिल्ले आसा.
In this edition of Street Voices, Herald TV spoke to several people to know their views on whether the current education system in Goa will help secure a good career for the students, or is there need to put a practical thought to improving the syllabus to reduce unemployment.
See, I will not say that the system that is in place is inadequate. Definitely efforts have been made by the Goa University and DHE and other agencies related to education. However, the new education policy which actually is implemented, like for example our college implemented it in the last academic year 2023-24, and it is implemented all over Goa. I feel that the choice which was exercised by the central government through the new education policy, that is what it is meant to be, new education policy 2020, I feel in Goa the choice is limited. Like for example, there were a lot of papers which are minor and the papers which are SEC, that is skill enhancement courses. That's where the employment opportunities and all are related. So those need to be enhanced. Okay, they have to be there in the system. They cannot be taken off, and they should be continued till the, I feel, the last year of the graduation of the students which come under the purview of the NEP. So the DHE should look into the matter. In fact, we are confronted with this issue and question whether the skill enhancement, of course they have said the skill enhancement courses will have 30 students now. The minor courses offered in every subject have to be enhanced. They have to be, all the colleges have to be given those courses, and I feel that the students should have a vast choice. And we have, like for example, our board of studies, we have tried to make it as employment oriented as possible by introducing archaeology, museology and many other heritage tourism and all that. That has to be given a priority, and the job related or employment opportunities through these courses, that has to be the main focus, because like after graduating through the NEP, I feel the student should feel themselves equipped and skilled to take up any job in the job market. Because like for example, I would say that heritage tourism. So once the student has done that heritage tourism as part of the NEP in their undergraduate BA or BA, I'm talking about BA, then the student should find himself equipped, or the government should find that student qualified and skilled to be employed in the tourism sector, because the government is thinking about promoting heritage tourism. So that student should be the ambassador of heritage tourism. Likewise, I can talk about museology, archaeology, and many other heritage related courses where they can be absorbed by the travel agencies, where they can be ambassadors of Goa's heritage, India's history, Indian this. So this is just one example I have given you about how the student can be made job oriented.
आजकाल जे पळय बेरोजगारी पण वाढल्या, हातूंत खुबशे घटक जबाबदार आसात. आमी फक्त सरकाराकूच जावं हांकांच दोशी दिवन कांय फायदो ना. हांगासर प्रत्येक जाण आमी एज अ नागरिकूय म्हणून जबाबदार आसा, आनी सरकाराचे वाटेन सरकाराचो रोल हातूंत असो दक्ष म्हणजे एक दक्ष जी पळय कितें भुमिका घेवपाक आशिल्ली ती सरकारान आजून पर्यंत घेवना. उदाहरण दिवचें जाल्यार आज जे पळय कितें पळय अभ्यासक्रम कितें चालू आसा, आमी जे पळय कितें शिकता तें आमकां प्रॅक्टिकली खंय पर्यंत ताजो उपयोग जाता हाजेर विचार करपाक गरज आसा. आमी जे पळय आतां हांव एक तुगेलो एकावंट्स ग्रॅज्युएट, आमी एकावंट्सान जे पळय कितें शिकिल्लें तातूंतले थोड्योच गोश्टी आमकां क्वचित तुगेले वेव्हारीक ज्ञाना पुरते वापरपाक येता. मागीर आमकां ताजो कांयच उपयोग जायना अनलेस तूं जर एक कोणी चार्टर्ड एकावंटंट जातलें जातलें. सो हातूंत पयलीं म्हणजे सरकारान हे जे पळय अभ्यासक्रम पळय आसा तातूंत नितांत चेंज करपाची सामकी नितांत गरज आसा. हातूंत जे पळय उपयोगी कितें आसा, आतांची पळय ITI बी जे पळय कितें कोर्स शिकयता प्लंबींग कोर्स हे कोर्स ते त्या भुरग्यांक कोता पडटा. फाल्यां प्लंबर जातलो ताजे ती सर्टिफिकेट आसता, तो भोंवणेपण करपाक शकता, तो मेस्तपण करपाक शकता, जावं प्लंबर जावपाक शकता. तातूंत तो आपल्याले डेली कितें तरी हें करता. सो असले तरेचे कोर्स आसा ते सरकारान प्राधान्य दिवन ताका एट्रॅक्ट करपाक जाय. दुसरी गजाल, आमी जे पळय फक्त सरकारची AIची जी तरूण पळय पिढी आसा ती फक्त नालायकपण करता ते, आनी हे जे पळय आमचे पळय ते लोकप्रतिनिधी आसा तेंची दारांनी वचून आपल्यालें जीवन म्हणजे आपले बरे लायफाचो बरो टायम तांचे वांगडा पडून वेस्ट करता. आयज जो भुरगो आसा ताका जर सरकारी नोकरी जर मेळटली जाल्यार ती मॅरिट्साचेर मेळप जाय ताका. सपोज तो ताजो हक कोणा जाय आनी सगळ्यांक सरकारी नोकरी मेळपाक शकना, कित्याक हांगा सरकाराची धोरणूच रॉंग आसा. कोण जे पळय नोकरी जावन रिटायर जावपाक आसा तांकां ते एक्सटेंशन दिता. सो तूं नवे हांगा तूं खंयची करतलें आनी तुमच्या दारान जे पळय कोण येता तांकांच नोकरी मेळटा, म्हणजे सिलेक्टीव लोकांकूच मेळटा. इट शूड बी अ क्लीन ट्रान्सपरंट प्रोसिजर. आनी हें आतां कितलीं वर्सां जालीं मागता लोक सगळे हें करून हाजेर म्हणजे कोणूय जावं ताका मॅरिट्साचेर ताका ती सर्वीस मेळपाक जाय. हें जायना. बरें, आनी जे दुसरे पळय कोर्स आसा दॅट शूड बी लिंक अशें आसपाक जाय की नोकरी म्हणटा ती ताका थंयच्यानूच मेळपाक जाय. ते कोर्स केले बरोबर ताका खंय तरी एक एप्रेंटीस म्हणून जावं ट्रेनी म्हणून काम करपाक आनी त्याच कंपनीन ताका हें करपाक. दुसरी गजाल हांगा गोंयांत एक आसा फॅक्टर, म्हणजे बरो व्हडलो फॅक्टर, आमची जी कितलीशी जमीन जी पडीक आसा थंय जर कोणेंय कितें करपाक वचत हांगा खुबशे NGO आसात ते पयलीं ताका ओपोज करतात. सो हातूंत कितें जाता, नवे जे उद्योग जावं कितें शैक्षणीक संस्था आसा त्यो हांगा गोंयांत येवपाकूच पळयना. आनी ज्यो येता त्यो सरकाराचे जाळ्यान इतल्यो गुरफटलेले आसा ते कोणाक कितें दिता इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीन तुका प्लॉट सुद्दां मेळप आज डिफिकल्ट आसा. सो सामान्य मनशाक एक तरी उद्योग सुद्दां सुरू करपाक जाल्यार त्रास जाता.
Locals from Lutholi have demanded a detailed schedule outlining the survey, demarcation, valuation, and other pertinent activities identifying the Kazan and CRZ areas for the proposed construction of the Lutholi-Bori bypass bridge. This is in response to the recent correspondence regarding the proposed land acquisition for the construction of the new Bori bridge and its associated infrastructure. The Lutholi Village Panchayat has issued a formal request for detailed information prior to commencing any activities. Watch.
आयज जो प्रेस घेता आमी तो बोरयेचे आनी लोटलेचे मेळून आमी हें करता. जे ठरावीक जे लोक आसा जेंकां खंय तरी फुडाकार घेतला तेच तर हितून कितें आसा पळयलें जाल्यार आमकां जो रोड एक्विजिशन जे स्टार्ट केल्लें ते हेजेर आतां पळयलें जाल्यार आमकां अशें दिसता जे तेणी पयलीं सांगलेलें ते प्रमाणे आतां जायना. आतां जो प्लॅन कितें आसा तो आमकां कळत ना, कित्याक जे मनशाक सांगलेलें की तेजें घर वचपाना, तर तेजे घरा कडेन आतां लायिल्लें आसा तेजें घर वयतलें म्हणून सांगता. आतां हांगा सुद्दां आमी येथे बांदार आतां येथे मार्कींग पळयलां, आतां ही देवळी वयतली काय उरतली हें आमकां खबर ना. म्हळ्यार अशें आजून पर्यंत हें क्लियर जाल्लें आसना आमकां की बाबा कितें उरतलें आनी कितें वयतलें. 60 मीटर रोड आनी दोनी सायडीच्यान 40 मिटर्स फ्रीज जातलें म्हणटा. आतां हें फ्रीज जातलें तें घर उडयतले दवरतले हेंय बी आमकां क्लियर केल्लें ना. म्हळ्यार ह्यो गोश्टी सगळ्यो हिडन दवरलेल्यो आसा आनी लोकांक खंय तरी दिशाभूल करता आनी जेन्ना जातलें तेन्ना आमी आडोवपाक पावपाना. हेका लागून खंय तरी हो भंय आसा आमकां आनी हेकाच लागून हो प्रेस आसा. आमचे शेताचे कितलेशे आसा तेणी ऑब्जेक्शनां घातलेलीं, तशेंच घर वयता तेणी ऑब्जेक्शनां घातलेलीं, पूण हेजेर आजून पर्यंत आमकां डिसमीस जालें जाल्यार तेजी लॅटरी येयल्ली ना. आनी हें जाल्लें आसतना जावनासतना नोटीस अजून पावनासतना ते डिमार्केशन करता. तर तें डिमार्केशन करता आसतना आमी तांकां विचारलें आनी तांकां धाडलेलें आसा, पूण तेणी डिमार्केशन केल्लें बी आसा. तर हेजेर आमकां फक्त इतलेंच आसा की फाल्यां आमकां काबार करतले आनी कांयच ना. बोरी गांव काबार करपाक उरल्या म्हळ्यार 140 मिटर्स हो रोड रूंद जातलो, म्हळ्यार 60 मिटर प्लस 40 करी जाल्यार 140 सुमार जाता ते. आतां इतलो रोड एक्वायर रस्त्याक लागून जागो एक्वायर करतले पळय तेजेर गांव काबार आमकां तर हें दिसून येता. आनी तसोच पळयलो जाल्यार जो पयलींचो हायवे आसा तोय रूंद करता. म्हळ्यार जे पयलीं अशें थोड्यांक दिसता की बाबा आमच्या बोरयेच्याच लोकांक दिसता की बाबा हो रोड जाल्यार तो रोड रूंद जावपाना, पूण आतां हे भायतकोलांतल्यान आमी पळोवपाक लागले जाल्यार थंयच्यान रूंद करीत येवपाक लागलेले आसा ते. म्हळ्यार तुमकां हो बोरी गांव सामकोच काबार करपाक जाय अशें आमकां दिसता. हे BJP गव्हर्मेंट असो हो आमकां काबार करपाक बोरी गांव काबार करपाक उठला.
The mouth-watering mango has witnessed almost a 40 to 50% drop in production as well as quality across the state this year due to extreme weather conditions. Along with low production, the quality has also come down. Heritage conservationists have said that in order to safeguard Goa's agriculture and especially the mango farming, sustainable farming must be prioritized.
I come from Samathias on Divar Island and the name of my vado is Amboy Vado, which means Ambianzo Vado. We have over 12 Mankurad mango trees and disappointingly not a single mango on any of the trees. This year Goa has experienced a significant drop in the yield of the famous Mankurad mangoes and mangoes in general, largely due to the change in climatic conditions, unpredictable weather patterns, including unseasonal rains, temperature fluctuations, and prolonged dry spells has disrupted the flowering and fruiting cycles of our mangoes and the cashews. Additionally, very crucially, the decline in bee population, crucial for pollination process, has exacerbated the problem, leading to even lower yields. The decline of the Mankurad mango production has not only have impact on local farmers and Goan economy, but it has worldwide implication. The Mankurad mango is highly prized on the international market for its unique flavor and quality. Reduced yields means decreased exports affecting global consumption and potentially driving up the prices. We have an issue looking to the future. The prospect of the Mankurad mango production is not good. And agriculture in general appears to have challenging times ahead. Sustainable farming practices must be prioritized. Farmers need support in adapting these practices through education, subsidies, and access to climate varieties. Another issue is protecting bee population is equally crucial. Initiatives to create and maintain bee-friendly habitats, reduce pesticide use, and promote planting of diverse flora can help support healthy bee populations.
As the monsoons are approaching rapidly, the cleaning of the drains in front of the Chimbel village panchayat has not been undertaken despite being under the government's eye. People have raised concerns on this issue, stating that it will lead to blockage during the rains and cause flooding.
The residents of Chimbel village have raised a concerning issue about the mango tree that was uprooted recently and fell into the drains. The collapsed tree has still not been removed yet. Along with the tree, the entire drain is filled with the leaves and dirt. If not cleaned on time, then it might lead to clogging during rains. Concerned residents point out that despite the drains being situated near the village panchayat, no action has been taken yet. They also requested the village panchayat to remove the said tree and get the drain cleaned. Sagun for Herald TV.
7 homes will be built for the poor in Priol constituency under the public participation in Shramadam concept soon. The concept of Shramadam, conceived by Speaker Tavadkar, has succeeded in building multiple homes in Kankona constituency. Watch.
आनंद जो आसा न्ही ताजे घोव एका वर्सा पयलीं गेलो अशें दुख्खांक आशिल्लें जें आसा न्ही म्हणजे अशा तरेच्या लोकांक जर आमी एक आनंद दिवपाक शकले जायत आनी हांव म्हज्या एकट्याय प्रयत्नान न्ही आज वयर कितलेशेच स्वयंसेवक कार्यकर्ते आसा तांच्या खातीर खूब बरें जावपाक शकता म्हणजे एक बरो समाज निर्माण करपाची ताकद अशा म्हणजे जुन्या पद्दतीन आमी एक वागतले आसा तीच पुनर्स्थापीत करप होच आमचो एक कन्सेप्ट आसा म्हणजे श्रमधाम हो कन्सेप्ट असो खूब मोठो रमेश वगळा वेगळे कन्सेप्ट हाडलो अशें कांय ना तें म्हणजे पयलींचेंच ताणें तेंच आमी परत लोकांक दाखोवपाचें प्रयत्न केले.
सर ही तुमकां संकल्पना कशी कितें सुचली?
नाही हांव कशें आहा की हांवें म्हज्या जिवनाचे सगळे फेजीस भोगला म्हणजे गरिबी कितें आसा बाकी सगळ्या लोकांचे हालत बाकी सगळें पयलें आसा. आज हांव सुदैवान ह्या लोकांच्या आशिर्वादान लोकांच्या कृपेन जें आसा न्ही हांव 4 फावटी आमदार जालो मंत्री जालो आनी आज सभापती ह्या पोस्टाचेर आसा. आज गोंयांक सत्ता आसा आनी केंद्रांत सत्ता आसा अशे वेळाचेर जर इतली ताकदवान जर राजकीय स्थिती आसना आनी आमी त्या राजकीय पक्षाचे त्या सरकारचे कार्यकर्ते आसून जर जायत आमी अशे निराधार आनी अशा लोकांक जर मदत करपाक शकले जायत न्ही ताच्यान दुर्दैव कांय उरचें ना. म्हाका एकच म्हणजे स्ट्रेंथ म्हणल्यार कशें म्हजे कडेन असंख्य कार्यकर्ते आसा म्हणजे हांवें सांगलें की निस्वार्थ भावनेन काम करणारे कार्यकर्ते आजूबाजूला सांगून तुमकां 1000 कार्यकर्ते म्हणजे महिला जर पळयले जायत न्ही तुमकां फाल्यां हें काम करता लक्षांत येतलें म्हजे काणकोणांतल्यान म्हणजे महिला येतल्यो म्हणजे काणकोणांतल्यान स्वयंसेवकांक काम करपाक येतलें किमान एक दिसा 50-60 म्हणजे मिनिमम 50 तरी स्वयंसेवक जे आसा न्ही एक घर बांदपा खातीर काणकोणांतल्यान कार्यकर्ते.
As the world celebrates National Dengue Day on Thursday, physicians across the state highlight the cause and the precautions measures to be taken during a dengue outbreak. This awareness was created at a program held at the Urban Primary Health Center in Margao. The program gave insights on how mosquito breeding occurs and places that are likely to be affected by mosquitoes.
National Dengue Day. Every year on 16th of May we observe this National Dengue Day. It was this is to create awareness among the community as well as regarding all the this intersectoral to increase our intersectoral coordination. This year's theme is connect with community to control dengue. This is very apt because all these years we got help from other local bodies, then panchayat, agriculture department. But what we need more is the community support because dengue is a day biter and it breeds in and around the houses, domestic and peri-domestic. So we need the help of the community. If we get community support, then almost 90% work is done because if each person takes the care of his or her house and the surrounding of his garden, at least once a week, if the person goes around the garden, his house, then and check for any water storing receptacles. When the first rain starts, this will be the like broken bottles, baskets, then coconut shells, bottles, then disposable cups, grinder. All these things are there in our garden. With the first rain, water will collect in this, and we will get the cases. And in case of dengue, what happens is it is a day biter. So when it cannot complete its meal, blood meal, so it bites many people. And at one go we get clusters. This doesn't happen in malaria.
The mayor of the corporation of the city of Panjim, Rohit Monserrat, has said that 40 to 50% of the house owners within the jurisdiction of the CCP pay their taxes regularly. Rest of them are defaulting. He also said that market vendors haven't paid their trade and occupation dues to the CCP since 2003. The mayor further said that the total outstanding tax dues are to the tune of 50 crore rupees. The pending house tax dues are to the tune of 33.75 crore rupees, followed by sanitation fees of 6.5 crore rupees and trade and occupation fees of 4.70 crore rupees. Listen in.
See, we look at it now. See, one of our major things is the market area. Now, the market area itself has outstanding of around between 22 crores plus. Okay, so now since 2003 itself, none of those agreements have been signed. We had approached the market association and they told us that they would sign a lease agreement. So now we are in the process of getting that. There were one or two difficulties, and some procedure was not followed from before my time. So we are correcting those issues, and now once the lease agreement is done, we are going to go back to the market association and ask them to sign it. If they don't sign, then we will have to initiate legal proceedings against them, because we need to recover that money, because there is no revenue that is coming from the market. So CCB is doing, and all we are doing is basically spending money there. We've paid more than 4 or 5 crores in electricity bills, plus water, plus security, and we are doing all of that. Another issue is our CCB building also now. There was some dispute earlier about increase in rates. Now around 8 or 9 crores is pending there also. So that also now we've initiated legal proceedings also, and we need a recovery. And apart from that also, now we have house tax also. Now house tax also is probably another, say, 35-40 crores at least. So that out of the total percentage, I would say about, say, between 50 to 60% of people are not paying house taxes. See, now that is, it's a situation where the people, like the citizens of Panjim who are paying taxes now, they are being burdened, because the people who are not paying, now the CCB also has to recover the losses. We have to cover salaries, we have to do solid waste management, and all those things also now. Taxes have been increased now is because the 50 or 60% have not paid their taxes. See, as of now, during our tenure, we have not raised taxes on anybody now. What we've done is basically I have instructed my staff and everything to reduce expenditure wherever we can, reduce wastage, and so we've managed to do that. In addition to that, also now we have a High Court order from when the taxes were increased in 2016. It was not done properly. The procedure was not followed. So because of that, also High Court has instructed us not to collect any taxes based on those new rates. So again, some people are refusing to pay based on that also. So overall, the revenue has decreased, but we are still managing. We have told our taxation officers and everyone to basically form recovery teams to basically go and recover all of the dues that are thing. So people also have to realize that if the taxes are not paid, then solid waste management, a lot of those issues in the city will start becoming a problem. It will be an issue now if we cannot pay our staff and then say the garbage is not collected for 3 or 4 days. So I'm urging the people who have not paid their taxes to please come forward and do that also, because it's hugely beneficial to the corporation.
Artists, especially theatrists, have raised serious concerns over the lack of facilities at Ravindra Bhavan, Margao, even after renovation. The artists have complained, saying that there are a lot of things like sound system, stage, lights, green rooms that still needed to be done. Theatrists have urged the management to look into the matter and resolve these issues immediately. Watch.
Well, आता आमचे टॅप आहे ग्रीन रूम ते टॅप बंदूच जायना लीक जाता उदक ते सारकें नाही आमगेलो मॉनिटर आहा आम थिंग स्टेज कितें वयता थिंग ग्रीन रूमा आयकून येवपा जाय तेंय तेंगे चलना आतां तुमचे लायफ पड्डो ब्लू पड्डो वयरी चडना सकयल देवना मदीं शिरकलो ती आतां बंद कसो पडलो जाय आनी दुसरी म्हणल्यार साऊंड सिस्टम अजून जालें ना सो आमी एक मिटींग गेलोली बाब तालाका कडेन तेन्ना सांगिल्लें ताका हँगींग मायक घाल म्हणून तेय अजून गायले ना तें घाता येवं काय ना त्या जाणांनी आनी ती कमिटी जाणा
पूण सद्या कांयच जावना अशें दिसता तुमकां
जाला थोडें जाला स्टेज जाल्या
ओके
सो हें यार जावपाक जालें न्ही
तें जावना
सो हांव मागता मातशें बेगीन करपाक आतां टायल्स हाडल्याचे टायल्स थिंगा हाय भायल्यान टायल्स घायले
टायल्स खंय घालपा हाडलेले
कोणा खंय घालपाक भायले घालपा हाडले आसले ना अजून घायल ना आतां इतलो हॉल बंद करून कांय फायद ना
हो म्हजो तिसरो तियात्र पाय हॉलान 2 पयलीं केल्ले हो तिसरो तियात्र म्हणल्यार आमकां रवींद्र भवनान हो दिला ट्रायल शो म्हणून म्हणजे ट्रायल करपाक म्हणजे हॉल आतां तेंच्यांनी फर्निशींग कितें केलां ताका ट्रायल करून हो शो आमकां तेणें दिला म्हाका दिला मिलिंद मंदरा सो आयज म्हजो शो सो ट्रायल शोवाचेर म्हाका डिफिकल्टी मेवल्या ती की सद्याक जे पड्डे पयलीं चलताले सारके ते आतां मातशे शिरकोले 2 फावटी म्हाका शो बंद करचो पडलो पड्डे सारके आनी म्हाका दिसता अजून तुमी सावंड पयलो आहलो पळय तो दिसना हो कोणाचो भाड्याचो सावंड हाडून हांगासर दवरला सो तो घालो पूण सावंड सद्याक बरो आसा सो जायते कडेन कंप्लेन केला की भितर येता उदक बी सारकें येयना टॉयलेट बी सारना आनी ते तेंच्यांनी स्टेज केला ते सायडीच्यान आजून ते आमचे टायल्स कितें घालपाचे ते घालूंक ना ही सगळीं कामां करूंकूच जाय आमचे मॅनेजमेंटान त्या कित्याक आतां सगळे ट्रायल शो म्हणून आमी कांय कॉन्डेम करिना पूण आमी सांगता ज्यो मिस्टेकी आसा त्यो तुमी सुदारपाच्यो.
आमी चोयल त्या भाशेन आतां आमगे ग्रीन रुमान एक टॅप लीक जाता. उदक हे भाशेन कितलेंच वेस्ट जाता आसतलें दिसांतल्यान. दुसरें म्हळ्यार आमगे हिंगा ग्रीन रुमान मॉनिटर चलनाय. स्टेजीचेर कितें चलता तें आमकां कांय समजोयना, कांय आयकोयना. आनी लेडीज रुमांतूय ती सांगताली कितें चल्लां म्हूण तें म्हाका सारकें उगड आसना, पूण तें एकल्यान सांगलेलें आमगे लेडीज रुमान कितें तरी वॉशरुमांत चल्लां म्हूण. आनी तिसरी प्रॉब्लेम म्हळ्यार पड्डे, ब्लू पड्डे आहा तो वयर सकयल देंवना. आनी हे पड्डे इतले धुळान भरलोले जेन्ना तो पड्डो वयर सावन सकयल उडयलो तेन्ना तो रस्त्याचेर धूळ जाता ते भाशेन भितर हॉलान धूळ जालो. ते पड्डे केदोन दिल्ले आनी केदोन काडले म्हूण खबर ना. दीस इज व्हेरी बॅड. आमगे मिनिस्टर म्हणटाय आमी कोटयांनी दूड मोटाय म्हूण ही हॉलां रिपेर करपाक आनी कितले तेंपान ती हॉल ते पोत्तून दिताय आमकां, आमगे पोत्तून ती आतां चालू करपाक. पूण भितर येयले जाल्यार कांय आसना. हॉल आहलो तशीच आहाय. कला अकाडमी आमी पळय तियात्र केल्लो तेवूय हॉल कांयच चेंजीस चोयल नाय. हांव हें सोप उलयतां. आनी हे गोविंद गावडे आमगे आर्ट एंड कल्चर मिनिस्टरा लागीं हांव मागोतां तुवें मातशें सिरियस घेवचें.
The auspicious Vardhapa Din of Sri Devika Bhumika was celebrated with great fervor and devotion at Savantwada, Mandre. A crowd of devotees thronged the temple to seek blessings and to be part of the Satya Narayan Puja.
श्रीदेवी भूमिका मातेच्या वाढदिवसाप्रित्यर्थ प्रतिवार्षिकप्रमाणे सकाळी धार्मिक विधी, नवचंडी, महाआरती, महाप्रसाद, संध्याकाळी श्री सत्यनारायण महापूजा, तदनंतर पावणी आणि नंतर वार्षिक सावंतवाडा तरुण हौशी नाट्य मंडळातर्फे नाट्यप्रयोग सादर होतो. यंदाच्याही वर्षी भरगच्च असे कार्यक्रम श्रीदेवी भूमिका देवस्थान समितीने श्रीदेवी भूमिका मातेच्या प्रतिवार्षिक संपन्न होणाऱ्या वाढदिवसाप्रित्यर्थ आयोजित केलेले आहेत. संगीत महामृत्युंजय, संगीत अयोध्येचा ध्वजदंड, मुलांसाठी, लहान मुलांसाठी सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रमांचं आयोजन, संगीत दैवगतीचा फेरा आणि संगीत प्रीती सन्मान अशी ही कार्यक्रमांची नियमावली आहे. आणि आजपासून या कार्यक्रमांचा प्रारंभ होत आहे. सकाळी उठल्यापासून सर्व महिला वर्ग या इथे देवालयात येऊन महाप्रसादाची तयारी करतात आणि अखंडपणे ही आमची परंपरा अशीच वडिलोपार्जित जे पूर्वज यांनी स्थापना करून जी हा जो खंड घालून दिलेला आहे त्यानुसार वाड्यावरील सर्व मंडळी एकत्रित येऊन देवस्थान समिती म्हणा, गावकरी मंडळी म्हणा, वाड्यावरील सर्व ग्रामस्थ म्हणा, श्रीदेवी भूमिका मातेचे सर्व भाविक भक्तगण जे गोमंतकातच नव्हे तर गोव्याबाहेरही महाराष्ट्र राज्यातही जे राहतात, वास्तव करून आहेत, ते सुद्धा देवीच्या दर्शनासाठी वाढदिवसाप्रित्यर्थ आवर्जून येतात. देवीला जो नवस त्यांनी बोललेला असतात तो नवसाचाही फेट करण्यासाठी येतात.
The Skating Association of Goa has announced the 6th edition of the National Ranking Roller Skating Championship, which will be held from 16 May to 19 May 2024. President Milind Naik Desai informed that 1,250 plus skaters have registered from all over India for the championship. He even highlighted that this is the highest ever registration for such a type of championship in recent history. Watch. Host Sporting Club Daworli entered the finals of the 15th Daworli Cup 2024 by defeating Varka Sports Club 5-4, while the tiebreaker in the semi-finals played at the Panchayat ground in Daworli on Wednesday. Both teams played a heart-touching football from end-to-end contest and kept the crowd busy but couldn't break the deadlock. Daworli missed the opportunity through Delton, Angelo and Milton, while Varka's Anthony and Joburn missed the target before halftime. In the second session, Varka's Chris ran down, beat the defense and shot over the crossbar, while Prince Figueiredo wasted the chances for Daworli in the dying minutes of the game. In injury time, Varka's Aaron's powerful shot punched away by Alvin Vallis, goalkeeper of Daworli, until full time, both teams remained on a 0-0 deadlock and made their way for a penalty kick to decide the winners. In the resultant tiebreaker, Daworli scored through William, Adarsh, Shahil, Ajay Raj and Prince Figueiredo, while Varka found the net through Aaron, Joburn, Salisbury and Mohammed. Alvin Vallis, the goalkeeper of Daworli, was awarded the man of the match for excellent under-the-bar work by Alex Borges. That's all we have in today's news bulletin. Thanks for watching Herald TV News. For more news and alerts, please follow us on O Heraldo on Facebook and X. Take care and goodbye.